Hello children, I welcome the students of class 4th and this is your English class, okay. Well children, today as we are going to start this class, I would like to tell you all that we have student of Hindi medium also. तो हम जब हम पढ़ेंगे तो हम साथ में उसका अर्थ जो है, the meaning जो है हम हिंदी मीडियम के बच्चों के लिए भी हिंदी में बताते हुए चलेंगे, okay. Now children, I want to ask you something. वो ये है कि do you love flowers? क्या आपको फूल पसंद हैं? और अगर पसंद हैं तो what have you done for that? क्या आपने पौधा लगाया है? या आपने उनकी रखवाली की है? Have you taken care of the flowers or the plants? Yes? Okay. But today we are going to see a beautiful poem. और इस पोम में हम ये देखेंगे कि पौधों की देखभाल कैसे की जाती है. How do we take care of the plants, especially the flowering plants, है ना, जो फूल वाले पौधे हैं, हम उनके बारे में देखेंगे. Okay. So this poem talks about not only about the flowers, but it gives lots of information. काफी सारी information है, आपकी जानकारी है. आप इस पोम को पढ़ते हुए you will enjoy also, but at the same time you will learn many things. So children, come on to this beautiful poem. So children, a watering rhyme. Okay, let's go through this beautiful poem. Early in the morning or the evening hour. क्या कह रहा है? Early in the morning, that means एकदम सवेरे सवेरे, जल्दी सवेरे जल्दी, और या the evening hour या शाम का समय. hour यानी कि घंटा, yeah, okay, hour, H-O-U-R, या शाम के समय हम जैसे कहते हैं. Early in the morning or the evening hour are the times to water every kind of flower. Are the times to water. ये जो दोनों समय हैं, these are the two times. Okay? Which time? Morning time and evening time. These are the two times. These are the times to water. ये दोनों समय हैं, मॉर्निंग सवेरे और इवनिंग शाम का. ये दोनों समय हैं. किस लिए? क्या, किस चीज के लिए? पानी देने का समय है. Are the times to water? To whom? Every kind of flower. हर तरह के फूलों को पानी देने का समय है. कौन सा समय है? There are two times, morning time and evening time. Let's read out the four lines again. Early in the morning or the evening hour are the times to water every kind of flower. Once again children, please follow. Early in the morning or the evening hour are the times to water every kind of flower. So on to the next full line. Watering at noonday. What is noonday? दोपहर का समय. यानी कि दोपहर के समय जब पानी डालते हैं, watering means पानी देना या पानी पटाना कहते हैं जिसे. Watering at noonday when the sun is high. Oh, when the sun is high, that means एकदम ऊंचे पर है. The rest of the time sun कभी नीचा होता है. Morning time the sun is rising, right? तो sun जो है नीचे की तरफ होता है. Evening time the sun sets. Again the sun is setting the other side, नीचे जा रहा है. But when is the sun high? कब sun सबसे ऊंचा होता है? Afternoon time, right? 12 बजे के समय आप जानते हो, दोपहर के समय सूरज जो है एकदम ऊपर होता है और बड़ी तेज धूप होती है, right? Okay. Watering at noonday when the sun is high, जब सूर्य ऊपर होता है और उसमें अगर पानी डालते हैं, doesn't help the flowers. Flowers को वो मदद नहीं करता है. Only makes them die. क्या हो जाता है जब दोपहर के कड़ी धूप में जब आप पानी डालते हैं, when you're watering the flowers, it will not help the flowers. वो जो है आपके फूलों को मदद नहीं करेगा. Rather, the flowers will die. जो सारे फूल हैं वो मर जाएंगे या मुरझा जाएंगे या पेड़ मर जाएगा. Alright? Let's read out this four lines again. Watering at noonday when the sun is high doesn't help the flowers, only makes them die. Let's repeat once again. Watering at noonday when the sun is high doesn't help the flowers, only makes them die. Now all together, these 8 lines, children. Okay. Early in the morning or the evening hour are the times to water every kind of flower. Watering at noonday when the sun is high doesn't help the flowers, only makes them die. Now here you have come to know, children, what are the types of watering the plants. Okay. Now, also when you water, now listen carefully. Also when you water, water at the roots. Got it, children? जब आप पानी डालते हो तो कहाँ पर पानी डालोगे? Roots part. That is the bottom part of the plant. All right. Okay. Also when you water, water at the roots. Flowers keep their mouths where? Listen to this. Flowers keep their mouths where? Flowers जो है अपने मुंह रखते हैं. कहाँ पर रखते हैं? उनका मुंह, फूलों का जो मुंह है वो वहां पर रखते हैं. Where we should wear our boots. वहां पे रखते हैं जहां पे हम अपने बूट्स पहनते हैं, यानी कि शूज. जहां पर हम अपने जूते पहनते हैं वहां पर फूलों का मुंह है. Alright, children, now think over. Soak the earth around them. Now, okay, let's leave out this line. Let's read out the 4 lines. Okay. Also, when you water, जब आप पानी डालते हो, water at the roots, जड़ों में पानी डालिए. Flowers keep their mouths where, फूल अपने मुंह वहां रखते हैं. Where, कहाँ? We should wear our boots, जहां हम अपने जूते पहनते हैं, यानी कि पैरों पर. तो फूलों का मुंह कहां पर है? पैरों पर है, उनके पैरों पर है. ओके. नेक्स्ट है द soak the earth around them. Soak means to make wet. SOAK. Soak, भिगा देना. So soak the earth around them, यानी कि उनके चारों ओर की जो जमीन है आप उनको क्या कर दीजिए? भिगा दीजिए. Make it wet. Okay. Soak the earth around them, then through all the heat, और तब वो गर्मी के बीच से, heat means गर्मी, then through all the heat the flowers will have water. जब आप आसपास की मिट्टी को गीला कर दोगे तब उस गर्मी के बीच से the flowers will have water. फूलों को पानी मिलेगी for their thirsty feet. उनके प्यासे पैरों के लिए. And what are thirsty feet, children? भूखे पैर क्या है? Their roots. ठीक है? Their roots. वही उनके पैर है. Okay. Let's read out this 4 lines again. Soak the earth around them, then through all the heat, the flowers will have water for their thirsty feet. And let's go through this whole 8 lines once again. Also when you water at the roots, flowers keep their mouths where we should wear our boots. Soak the earth around them, then through all the heat, the flowers will have water for their thirsty feet. And this beautiful poem has been written by P.A. Rose. Okay, P.A. Rose has written this beautiful poem, and this is not only lovely to recite, but at the same time, this poem teaches us, right? ये कविता जो है सिर्फ हमें रिसाइट करने के लिए हमें आनंद नहीं देती है, but at the same time we learn so many things from it, right? क्या क्या सीखा हमने? We have learned that you have to water the plants twice, either morning or evening, or you can water twice also, it's okay, but the time should be either morning or evening, okay, but not during the noon time. And when you have to water? You have to water the root part. Now children, we have come through some new words. The words are R, H, H-O-U-R-R. Here, H is silent, okay? It will not be spelled as har, no. H will be silent, R. H-O-U-R, यानी कि घंटा, okay? एक घंटे में कितने मिनट्स होते हैं? You know that, right? 60 minutes? Yes, yes. In 1 hour, there are 60 minutes. So R, H-O-U-R-R, हिंदी में घंटा कहते हैं. एक घंटे में 60 मिनट होती है. Fine. Next, watering, W-A-T-E-R-I-N-G, watering यानी पानी डालना. Okay, watering. Another word, noonday यानी कि दोपहर. N-O-O-N, noon, D-A-Y-J, noonday. Next word, boots, B-O-O-T-S, boots यानी कि shoes, जो बड़े बड़े जूते होते हैं, थोड़े ऊंचे होते हैं. Okay, they are called boots. Next, soak, as I told you earlier, S-O-A-K, soak यानी कि to make it wet, उसे भिगा देना, that is called soak. या आप कहते हैं गीला, right? गीला is wet. Next is heat, H-E-A-T, heat यानी कि गर्मी. Now let's see this question, children. Reading is fine. Here's the question. What is the best time to water the plant? Just now I asked you. What is the best time to water the plant? Morning hours or evening hours are the best time to water the plants. Okay? Next. Number 2. When should we not water the plants? हमें कब पेड़ों को पानी नहीं देना चाहिए? When? We should not water the plants at noon time or noonday, you can say. ठीक है? हमें दोपहर के समय पौधों को पानी नहीं देना चाहिए या पौधों में पानी नहीं पटाना चाहिए. Question number 3. Which part of the plant should be watered? प्लांट के कौन से पार्ट में पानी डालना चाहिए? प्लांट के पूरे ऊपर से डालते, राइट फ्रॉम द टॉप. Where? Yes. The root part should be watered. You can write down. The root part of the plant should be watered. On to the word building. Place letters in their right order to form the names of flowers. ठीक है? यहाँ letters जो है वो jumbled way में लिखे हुए हैं, उल्टे सीधे लिखे हुए हैं. You have to place them in order. In most of the places, first letter and the last letter has been given. ठीक है? इन सारी खाली जगहों में भी देखिए सामने की पहली लेटर और आखिरी लेटर दी गई है. आपको इस लेटर से उन्हें सीधे करके लिखना है. Okay. Now let's see this. P-A-E-T-E-E-W-E-E-S. Well, this is sweet pea. S-W-E-E-T-P-E-A. Sweet pea. This is name of a flower. Next flower. Let's see. M-R-A-I-D-O-L-G. This is a very familiar flower. ये फूल आप जानते हैं. And it is in the book, in your textbook, the front page of your textbook. Yes, it is marigold. Let's write down. See the spelling here. We can pick up the words and letters from here. M-A-R-I-G-O-L and of course D is here. Marigold. Okay. Next word is, this is also common flower. ये फूल भी आपने बहुत देखा होगा. It starts with J. It is jasmine. Now write down J-A-S-M-I-N-E. Jasmine. And the word is, ये भी आप सारे बच्चे जानते हैं. This flower is a national flower. Yes. Lotus. L-O-T-U-S. Lotus. Okay. ये फूल आपने सुना भी होगा. And the name of the flower is mogra. M-O-G-R-A, mogra. M-O-G-R-A. Mogra. Okay. Another word is Dhaal. It starts with D and ends with A. So this is Dahlia. Dhallia. Dahlia. This flower you might have seen in the pictures also, and this is not found here. Actually, ये जो है ठंडी जगह में होती है. So it's called phlox. Okay, PHLOX. Phlox. Okay. Next is ये फूल आपने देखा होगा. I might have heard also. It is pansy. Okay, in class 3rd you had heard pansy. Okay, PANSY. 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 And the last word is children. Well, this looks quite a long name, right? But children, you have seen here and here they call it Ghanti Phool. Okay, it is called China rose also, or you can say its actual name is hibiscus. Okay, so it starts with H. HIBI, hibis, and then C. CUS, hibiscus. Okay, so let's read out the names of these flowers, children. Sweet pea, marigold, jasmine, lotus, mogra, dahlia, phlox, pansy, and hibiscus. Children, I want you all to write down all this in your textbook, and please use your pencil and drawing down. Okay, children, here are the pictures of these flowers. Here's the phlox, here's the sweet peas, pansies, mogra, dahlia, lotus, jasmine, hibiscus, and dahlia. Well, children, here are the pictures of the flowers. Phlox, sweet peas, pansies, mogra, marigold, lotus, jasmine, hibiscus, and dahlia. So children, let's go through the parts of a tree. Okay, so there are different parts. You can see here. Here's the part, the bottom part. This is root. जिसे जड़ कहते हैं, right? जड़. This grows under the ground. Okay, ये जमीन के नीचे होती है. This is the underground portion. This is root, and root is the plant's foot. ठीक है, ये जड़ जो है इनका पैर है. And upper portion is stem, जिसे आप तना कहते हैं. And here you can see fruit, फल जो है. This is one of the part. And here's the flowers. You can see. ये देखिए, these are the flowers. And can you see this children small flower? This is bud, bud bud. Okay, जिसे आप कली भी कहते हैं. And of course, see the leaves, your leaves, and these are small twigs of branches. Then it will become bigger, and when you go and see the tree, this is the small plant. So it will be having a different. Children, just have a look in this picture. You might have read about this whole thing also, but again let's go through once again. Okay, आपने पढ़ा होगा अपने पिछले क्लास में, लेकिन फिर भी एक बार हम इसे देख लेते हैं. There are different parts of the plant, and the first part here, it's root. ठीक है, जिसे जड़ कहते हैं. This is underground. Okay, this is the underground part. ये जो है जमीन के नीचे होती है. Alright, and the part above the root is, root के ऊपर वाले पोर्शन को कहते हैं stem, that is तना कहते हैं. And the thing that comes out with different hands here, अलग अलग निकल कर जो आते हैं, they are called branch or branches. Okay, and here you can see, here of course flowers. ठीक है, ये फूल है. And देखिए फूल जब खिलती है, before it flowers, it is in the beginning form, and it is called bud, bud, bud. That is in Hindi इसे कली कहते हैं. ठीक है, and then further you can go and see leaf. These these are all leaves, okay, and fruit of course, ठीक है, fruit. And children, it varies when there is small plant, you won't find much parts here, ठीक है, ज़्यादा छोटे छोटे होते हैं जो उनमें स्टेम पार्ट बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं होता है. बट व्हेन shrubs, जो shrubs होते हैं, this part will be woody, ठीक है. shrub में जो झाड़ियाँ होती हैं उनका जो ये स्टेम पार्ट पोर्शन होगा वो लकड़ी जैसे होगा, लकड़ीदार होगी, ठीक है. इट विल बी वुडी. एंड व्हेन इट कम्स टू ट्री, जब पेड़ हो जाते हैं, इट इज मच मॉडिफाइड, वो बहुत ही बढ़ा हुआ फॉर्म होता है उसका, दैट इज ट्री. ओके चिल्ड्रन, फन टाइम नाउ. You have visited your school garden and seen different kinds of plants, shrubs and trees. अभी मैंने बताया. Children, fun time part, okay? You have visited your school garden and seen different kinds of plants, shrubs and trees. आपने अपने स्कूल गार्डन में देखा है और क्या पाया है? Different kinds of plants. अलग अलग प्रकार के पौधे, श्रब जो मैंने कहा जो झाड़ियां होती हैं, अभी मैंने आपको बताया, एंड ट्रीज और बड़े पेड़. ओके, दिस ग्रिड हैज द नेम्स. ये ग्रिड है, दिस इज द ग्रिड. ओके, दिस ग्रिड हैज द नेम्स ऑफ डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ अ ट्री. ठीक है, अलग अलग पार्ट्स है, पेड़ की जो पार्ट्स है, भाग है, उसमें इस ग्रिड के अंदर लिखा हुआ है. Look for these words. आपको ये सारे words इसमें ढूंढने हैं. Okay? Now what are the words, children? First word is bud. B-U-D, bud. मैंने कहा कली. ठीक है? The beginning part before it flowers, the flower blooms. This is the first part. It's called bud. फूल खिलने के पहले जो उसकी पहली अवस्था है, that is called कली. That is bud. And the name is pod. Now children, what is pod? Pod जो है, I'm going to draw and let you know. क्या आपने देखा है? Have you seen the peas? क्या आपने मटर देखा है? These are the peas and this part is called pod. ठीक है? मटर की जो कलियां हैं, मटर की जो कलियां जो मटर होती हैं, वो इसके अंदर होती, पॉड के अंदर होती है. राइट चिल्ड्रन? वो एक थैले जैसा होता है, उसके अंदर मटर पाया जाता है. ऑलराइट, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड पॉड. ऑलराइट, हियर इट इज पॉड. P-O-D, pod. Okay, next is leaf, stem, roots, thorns यानी कि कांटे, branches डालियां, and flowers. अब क्या करना है इसको? Look for these words. आपको ये सारे वर्ड ढूंढने हैं as fast as you can. आप जितनी जल्दी ढूंढ सकते हैं ढूंढिए. कैसे ढूंढना है आपको? वर्टिकली सीधे में ऐसे ढूंढना है. कोई वर्ड जैसे लिखा हो, किसी का नाम लिखा हुआ है. हॉरिजॉन्टली लाइक दिस आल्सो यू कैन सर्च. आप ऐसे भी ढूंढ सकते हो, कुछ नाम लिखा हुआ अगर है तो. एंड डायगोनली मींस लाइक दिस, ऐसे, लाइक दिस और लाइक दिस. दिस इज इन डायगोनल. Okay, let's hunt out B-U-D, bud, children. B-U-D, bud. I can see B, yeah, U-D, yes, this is diagonally. Okay, B-U-D. Let's encircle this. B-U-D, bud. On to the next word, pod. P-O-D, pod. Pod, just look out for P. Okay, here's P, this won't do. P-O-D, P, no, P-O-D, P-O-D, P, there, P-O-D, can you see children? I found here, P-O-D. On to the next word, leaf. Oh, L-E-A-F, you can check out like this also, straight also. Leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. Look out where it is, L-E-A, oh, here, L-E-A-F, okay? Let's encircle it. L-E-A-F. Got it. Alright, another word. Stem. S-T. No. S-T. No. S-T-E-M. Let's look out. S-T, children. Please take it. Oh, here. S-T-E-M. There. Mill gaya. Chalo, come on. Encircle it. S-T-E-M. Stem. Okay. Roots, जल्दी जल्दी करते हैं. R-O-O-T-S, roots, 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 R-O-O-T-S, R-O-O-O-O-O, find out, find out, find out, find out. There, I can see R-O-O-T-S, yes. Come on, circle it, जल्दी से करते हैं. We have to do it fast, no? R-O-O-O-T-S, roots. Okay, next word is thorns. T-H-O-R-N-S, T-H-O, T-H-O. Children, please look at there. T-H-O-R-N-S. Okay, let's circle it. Very good. बढ़िया, जल्दी मिल गया है हमें. Thorns. Next word is branches. B-R-B-B. Children, let's look out. There, I got it. B-R-A-N-C-H-E-S. Branches. And the last word is children, flowers. F-L-F-L-F-L. Please help me out, children. F-L-O-F-L-O-F-L. Hey, there. I got it. Here. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. There. Okay. Yes. Now see, children. We got all those words. What are the things? Bud, pod, leaf, stem, roots, thorns, branches and flowers. So children, I think so far you might have understood the whole poem and also the exercises also. And children, I want you all to go through the whole text, whatever we have learned today, whatever we have studied today. प्लीज़ गो थ्रू दिस. मैं चाहती हूँ कि आज हमने जो भी पढ़ा है आप प्लीज़ उनको एक बार दोहराइए एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू रिसाइट दिस वंडरफुल पोएम. ठीक है, ट्वाइस, थ्राइस. ओके, आप 2 बार 3 बार इसको रिसाइट कीजिए. देन ओनली यू विल बी एबल टू लर्न दिस ब्यूटीफुल पोएम बाय हार्ट. सो चिल्ड्रन, in the next session we will see the next exercise. Okay, so children, bye bye.